checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we are doing a review of Goose Creek. These are wax melts because we have bought a burner from, what is it called? Pink Zebra. Anyway, needed more wax melts, so I saw these online. They got good reviews, so I ordered probably too many of them, and we're going to give them a try and see what because they have their fall stuff out. So these are the the Goose Creek wax melts. So let's open the box and see what we got. We'll do the price breakdown in a little bit. Oh, look, Mike, they have a Hocus Pocus candle. Some legends never die. I wonder what it smells like. Anyway, focus. All right, so it's a good size. These are the candles, the wax melts, and they ran $4 each, which the wax melts at Walmart run about $2 each, but they don't last that long. These, I think, had a 22-hour lifespan or burn span. So we got First Autumn Frost, Tree Cutting, Forest. You can tell what smells we like. Warm and Cozy Cabin. Oh, Eucalyptus Mint. That's my favorite. Okay, this one could be a loser, but it could be really good. Fresh Baked Bread. And I know Mike likes this kind of stuff. Blueberry Cheesecake. Burlwood and Oak. And Button Up. So let's see what they smell like. Okay, this is Button Up. Oh, that smells good. I don't know how to describe it. It's just cozy. I probably won't go through all these. Burlwood and Oak. That's kind of cologne-y. You want to smell them as I give them to you? It's very masculine. Alright. Blueberry cheesecake. Oh, that smells good. You'll like that. You have to smell that one. It smells like blueberry cheesecake, sort of. It smells more like blueberry. Okay, fresh baked bread. This could be really yeasty. That's what I'm thinking. It could be. I don't know about that. I don't get fresh baked. Well, that's an if. It really doesn't have a strong smell. You know, a lot of those bready smells like that, they really stink to me. Eucalyptus Mint. Oh my gosh, yes, that smells good. Let me smell that one. That smells clean. I was kind of worried it was going to smell like a nursing home, but it doesn't at all. This is Tree Cutting. Okay, not as tree cutting as I thought it was going to be. It's a little hint of pine, but really nice, huh? This is First Autumn Frost. Oh, that smells good. That kind of has like a smoky smell to it. Nice. Warm and Cozy Cabin. What do you think it's going to smell like?
A warm and cozy cabin.
Shut up. No, I wouldn't go there. It smells like, what do you think it smells like? It's
Like a stuffy old closet.
I mean, that's what they should have called it. I like it though. This is Forest. Oh, God, that one smells really good. That's our smell. That smells like a Christmas tree, but not quite as Douglas fir-ish. It smells foresty. Okay, so we're gonna give them a try, burn them a little bit and see how long they last and give us a final review of them. We'll let you know how it goes. So these wax melts were on sale for $4. They're usually $5, but I got them for $4. I got 9 of them. So my subtotal was around $36. Ended up paying $43 total with everything, tax and everything. So guys, we are burning the Eucalyptus Mint at the moment, and this is what it looks like melted. It's clear, and you can see the pink zebra logo on the burner. It smells so good in here. We used 2 of the wax melts. It definitely smells good. That's a really clean, nice smell, and it smells up the entire room. It's a pretty big room. So, I mean, I'm impressed so far. We are gonna let this burn and see how long the smells for. We're gonna let it burn and see how long it smells good for. So guys, this is the Goose Creek website. As you can see, they have candles, they have single wick candles, soaps, and shower gels. It's a very easy to use website that gives you everything else. They also have essential oils, room sprays, and other things once you go looking around. These are the wax melts. There's a lot of them. I'm not going to go through all of them, but this is just the first page. These are burners or diffusers for the oils, and some of the oils that are on sale for $9.99. Again, we did not buy this. We bought the wax melts. So if you try these, let me know. These are the room sprays, and I'm just giving you a little taste of what their website has. Very easy to maneuver. You can also get gift cards through these guys. And if you go digging on the website too, you can find a little bit about the background of the company. It was family owned and tells where it's from and a little bit about their candles and what they're focused on. At the bottom, of course, it has the contact us, the frequent questions, which these are, and how to handle problems should be your problem or anything. The bottom line is they want you to be happy, and I was kind of impressed with that. I did not have to make a return. I did not have to contact them, so I can't say anything about their customer service, but the wax melts are great. So we have tried all of our wax melts. I'm gonna give you a rundown of my opinions of each of them. The burn time, they're saying 50 to 80 hours. But they don't say burn time for how many cubes. If I used all the cubes, it's possible we would get a 50 or 60 hour burn time. I used 2 cubes. I definitely get 10 hours. I definitely get probably 16 hours for those 2 to burn and smell up the whole house. So I'd say the burn time is pretty accurate. So we're going to stick with, they'd say that they're correct, and that 50 to 80 hours is pretty good. Some are stronger, like the Eucalyptus Mint, stronger than the other ones. It's definitely going to have that burn time. So here's my reviews of the smells themselves. So they, the fresh baked bread, which I was kind of iffy on, it's very mild. It does smell like fresh baked bread. It's not strong. It's actually kind of pleasant. Thought it could be stinky, but it's actually pretty good. The warm and cozy cabin, very mild, but very pleasant. I don't know that it smells like a cabin, but it's a very clean smell, and we liked it, but it's very, very mild. The Eucalyptus Mint, by far my favorite. It's strong. You can smell it through the whole house. When I put in 2, actually I've used another batch of them. When you use 2 of the blocks, you can smell it through the whole house, and it smells so good. They have another Eucalyptus Mint combo, which I'm ordering. The Burlwood and Oak, very cologne-y. It's very masculine. It almost smells like a men's soap, but it was strong. You could smell that one all over the house. I really like that one too. That was up on my favorite list. Button Up. This guy, it had a cologne smell, but it was very light. It did kind of smell like a men's cologne. But it was again pleasant. None of them was stinky that I didn't want to use again. That was Button Up. The Forest. It's woodsy, but it's also perfumey. It's not really gonna. If you're looking for Christmas tree, this is not it. But it does have a really pleasant smell. But it's very mild and very light. So if you don't want a strong smell, that's a good one. The Blueberry Cheesecake. Surprisingly like this a lot. It smelled. I didn't get the cheesecake that much, but the blueberry smell was really good, and I usually don't like that kind of smell, but I was impressed with that. That's Blueberry Cheesecake. Tree Cutting, boom. It's very light. This one was weird to me. It smelled good. I don't think it smelled like Christmas trees or trees. It almost had like a bubblegum smell to me. Weird enough, but I actually liked it. It smells like gum. Really liked it. And then First Autumn Frost. It was really fresh, but it was minty and tree smelling. So, but they do have their Christmas line, so I gotta order me some Christmas smells. But I give them a thumbs up for all of this for the price, for $4 a wax melt, or even $5. The regular price is $5. I got them for $4. I think it's a great deal. I'm going to give them, definitely give them, out of 10 stars, I'm going to give them 8 because I think they were pretty amazing. If you want to give it a try, there is a link in the down below where you can click on them and see what they get. Again, this is an honest review. Excuse me. Honest review. I paid with these from a hard-earned money. Nothing from Goose Creek at all, except a happy smelling house. So I haven't tried the candles, haven't tried the hand soap, haven't tried the lotions or whatever, what else they have. I haven't tried it. But I'm definitely going to be getting my wax melts from these guys. So anyway, guys, that was my review for the Goose Creek Candles wax melts. Hope it helped you. If you guys liked the video, please hit subscribe. We're trying to build our viewership. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Other than that, you guys have a safe week, and we will see you next time.